If you or one of your customers wants to consume a REST API from Power BI, you'll need a custom Power BI connector. In this demo, I'll show you how easy it is to get started. Let's first test our REST API by issuing a GET request to our EV sales data in Postman. Here's our data in JSON format. Now, instead of Postman, let's use Power BI to hit that same endpoint using our custom connector. Using our custom connector is really easy. Start by clicking Get Data, search for Improving Demo Connector, that's the name we gave our connector, enter in the server URL, and click OK. From here, we load our EV sales data. And that's it. In just a few clicks, we've got our EV sales endpoint available in Power BI. From here, you can work with it like any other data source in Power BI. You can view it as a table, or you can build a visualization from it. Even a basic custom Power BI connector makes your REST API easy to access, just like Swagger or Postman, but directly inside of Power BI. A more advanced connector can handle authentication, filtering, performance tuning, and even branding. That's the power of custom connectors. Thanks for watching.